Hello everybody. In this tutorial, we are going to transfer a normal selfie into a stunning artistic scene using Nano Banana. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. So I need to choose the right selfie. For that, you can start with a clear face, neutral or simple background, etc. and do so. So we're gonna head over to Nano Banana first. And once you head over to Nano Banana, you can simply upload the perfect image that you're trying to do so. So you can just go over and look out for this plus option right here and select it and select up the image that you would like to, have the changes for. For example, I've already chosen this image right here. Now, once you upload the selfie, Nano Banana will use it as the main subject. Now we'll transform the scene but not the face. So I can type in a prompt, for example, something like this. So I can just go over and look out for similar kind of prompts, such as transforming the selfie into an artistic cinematic scene, preserving the facial features, etc., and hit enter. And once you do so, that will keep you recognizable while changing the world around you. And you can just go and wait for the results. It may take about some seconds for it to be completed. And there we go. You can see the results available directly. And if you like it, you can save it up. But if you do not, what you can do is you can customize the vibe. So if you want, oil painting, cyberpunk, etc., you can type in similar kind of prompts. You can redefine it. For example, if you wanna like a cinematic look, so I can type in a long prompt for that. Sometimes like cinematic movie still and shallow depth of field, something like that, and hit enter. And it will similarly apply the same kind of rearrangement that you've done with the image that has been currently uploaded. And we can regenerate it with different tweaks available. You can look out for those and basically go ahead and apply it. So you just need to type in a prompt that you would like. You need to make it accurate, and that way you will be getting the exact result that you're looking for. So therefore, everybody, we hope this video was helpful to you. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.